In this video, I'm going to do something that all of us do probably many times throughout the day when we have a teacher or some staff member that kind of walks by and says, "Hey, can you help me out with this?" And you want to go ahead and get a ticket created so that you can track it within Zendesk. The very first thing you're going to do is go into Add New Ticket. And when you add a new ticket, you can actually put in, start searching for the individual's name. I'm going to use my name, Scott Stansberry, here. You can see it locates me as a user. And then this is where you would actually put your information. So this is a test account. You would actually put your name there as the agent. And that's the very simplest way to go ahead and start the process of creating a ticket on behalf of. You can see here as I entered the requester's information in, if you have this user piece enabled, it shows me their contact information. And one of the things to note is that this is where it's kind of identifying through some back end work whether or not this requester is just a regular central admin staff member or if they're associated with some campus. And that's going to be important in terms of the routing. But for now, you're creating the ticket. And once you get the ticket created, it defaults to incident as the incident type. You may want to change it to service request if it's something more appropriate to that type of ticket. And then you can, from there, you can really just submit as new. And what I want to show you here is that once that ticket's created, for this particular agent, they see the ticket has come in. In your case, if it was a teacher or some staff member on your campus, it would be assigned to your local ITS campus group. And then you could start working the ticket, doing whatever it is that you need to do. So it's a brand new incident and it needs to be worked. And this is where you could start to establish what the subcategory and category is to allow for escalation, maybe to another group, or you just start working the ticket. And from that point on, you can see that you submitted on behalf of, so any correspondence you have is going to that requester that you put into that requester field, but you will also get information, you'll get notified and you'll get information related to that in the event that it's actually escalated to another group or are being worked by somebody else even on your campus, another ITS on your campus. So that's just something, kind of a quick way to get a ticket created on behalf of